Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be doing a makeover and rebuild of an old concrete water fountain. Okay, let's do it. This is the old concrete or cement water fountain that I got it for free from the Facebook marketplace. This includes the base there and two tops. So I think what I need to do is to build one base, something similar to that, but not like a fancy like that base. A small base for this this top here to sit on, and another base up here to put on another decoration on top of this, on top of that base. This is the decoration that I'm going to put on top of the base on this top here. This one we bought it from a garage sale, and it just has been sitting in our garden for a long time, just for decoration. So I'm gonna use that one to replace for the old one that came with this water fountain before. And here are the two plant pots that I'm gonna use to build the base for the two tops. So this one could be for the first top there, and then this one could be another base for the for this one to sit on. And the height of this one is I think it's around 9 inches, and then this one is the height is around 6 inches. And then I also will use these plastic stuff here to kind of stick around the diameter inside of this part, as well as the smaller plastic ones here for the smaller base like this. And then I'm gonna pour the cement into these parts here to make the base. There is a little bit change in my plan. Previously I wanted to use a smaller base for the top so that that thing can sit on, but after thinking about that for a while, and then I decided to use a bigger pot for this top base here. And also I drill a hole here so that I can have this PVC pipe to go through. So then this just got a model, got something so that I can have this pipe to go through. This one is for the water, and I also drill a hole on this one here, so then this pipe will go right here, and then the water will come out on this area, and then it will drip down to the first top of the fountain. And this is the second base at the bottom here. So I also drill a hole so that I can have a PVC pipe to go through like this for this pipe to go through, and one other end of this one will come the other end of this pipe will come out here and hook up to a pump. And then the next things I need to do is to pour the cement into these pots to create a base. And I forgot to mention the cement that I use to build that those base. So then this is they call the crack resistant concrete mix. I bought this one at the home improvement store at Monash, and this costs around $6 per bag there, but they have some fibers inside as well as the little rocks they mix with the cement. So I was told I should use this one if I want to leave those bays outside during the winter here in Minnesota, so it will not break or crack. Well, it might, but it will be a long time from now until it cracks. So this is after 2 days. So the cement's already dry, and I already pulled out the this PVC pipe here, right here, and then the some of the plastic stuff, like to make like the pattern like this around the base. So I pull those out after 2 hours when I pour the cement into this this pot here, because at excuse me, because at that time the cement is a little bit dry, but it's still soft, and so then that easy to use the plier to pull out these plastic stuff as well as the PVC pipe here. And now I'll have to take out this base here out of this pot, and I'll do the same for the other base. So this is the two tops, two bases here, base here. So then this is the base on the first top of the fountain, and this is the base for the second top of the fountain, on top of the fountain. And then this, so then this is the bottom, and then this is the top here, and then the two kids decoration, it will sit on top of this one, and then this will be the bottom, the first base on the largest top there, and the second top will sit on this one here, and then this is the hole for the pipe to go through, for the water to go through. And this is I would have the pump right here, and then the pipe will go inside this one and then go all the way up here, right here. I'll need to mix some more cement and then kind of smooth out all of the surface here. So right now you can see it doesn't look pretty because of the small rocks like this still coming out of this base here. The same for this. And now after 2 days and everything dried out, then the next step that I need to do is to put everything together properly right between those two things there, and paint the whole thing. So then this is kind of a preview of what the water fountain will look like when I finish everything. And then the next thing I do is I will do a dry fit of the water here to see how the water can flow down from the top one right there, going down to the bottom one. So I finished painting these tops and the base here, and I was just about to do the dry fit of everything, and when the first attempt of doing the dry fit, and when I pour the water into this bottom top here, I noticed that the water kept dripping down, below, underneath this, so somewhere around here. And then I noticed there were some cracks, the kind of light cracks along this area here, and I guess that's the cause of the water leak. It's just because the water kept go through those cracks and then go down to the bottom of this one here. So I had to pour a little bit more cement, put a thin coat of cement here, and then kept spread around the bottom, around this bottom here. As you can see, so around these gray, so these gray area here, those are the cement, and around this bottom. And then I let it dry for 1 day, and then I spread another, put another caulking. So then this is for the this caulk is for like the all-purpose caulking used for the interior and the exterior. So I spread them around this, so just to create another layer of water, another waterproof layer on top of the cement that I already put in. So just to make sure the water will not leak. This might be by putting another layer of caulking here. I think that's a little bit overkill, but I rather to be safe than to have to redo everything again. So I'm gonna let this one dry for a day, and then I'm gonna test this bottom here again to make sure there's no water leak. So this is the preview of what the fountain would look like and be functioning at the end. So this is cap right now is dry fit to make sure there's no leak, there's no water leak, or everything goes wrong with this fountain here. You can see to make the water cap dripping down equally or evenly in both sides there. So I have to make sure first this top here has to be completely level, and then the same. So I do make sure the same to this top here. Make sure it's level too. So then that will make the water dripping down evenly in both sides of this top here. And there's the pump down there. This pump, originally I thought like I would need a bigger and more powerful pump, but turn out I only need like a smaller pump. So this pump will pump around 200 gallons per hour or something like that. So it's okay for like a aquarium or something. You don't need a powerful pump at all for this water fountain. And now I will take out all the water there, and then put some few more caulking around these here to make them completely white. Or if I don't have enough caulking, then I'll paint these spots here. You can see right there, white, and then reorganize the rocks here, and then pull these two flower pots together, like near this fountain here. And this is the finished water fountain. After I try fit everything and satisfied with all of the water dripping down, make sure all of the water dripping down evenly. And this is the view of the water fountain at night when the lights are on. The water is already turned off, and it will be turned on in the morning. And so that is everything that I like to show you about my new water fountain here. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.